Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Programming the Purpose. This is the part 5 in the series of revamping my old iOS app. So this is basically the final part where I'm moving the app from back shelf to App Store. So the app is live on App Store. I'm going to post the link of the app inside the description box. Here I'm going to show you the older version of this app. So basically, the idea is to work on your physical and mental health with the help of the some of the activities that have proven to work with people. These are very simple activities. You can simply add any activity around certain days and timings, and you are going to be notified using notifications, and you are going to perform that activity, mark it, and track your progress using this app. So it is a very simple idea, but I really want to build it into a more usable and functional product for the users. Initially, I've kept it simple basically because if you are not into a habit that is difficult to form, obviously you would want some time and simplicity to get into that routine. So I'm going to add advanced features in this app in future, but for now it is just the scheduling, the notifications, and the progress viewing. Some of the features are paid, but you can basically get the idea and scheduling of an app for free. This is all. This is the older app. I have built it using UIKit. If you have followed the series, you would know that I have created this in almost 2021 with UIKit at that time. And after that, I have updated it on Swift UI. I have improved the UI along with adding of some features. So next I'm going to show you the videos from my current app, that how I have changed it. The assets are pretty much the same for these activities, but rest of the UI and flow I have changed. So this is all for the older app. This is the settings screen. Here you can see that I've already created the privacy policy. Contact us. I've updated all of these details according to the current requirements of the app. Also added a rate us button with the updated App Store link. So this is all. So here I'm going to show you the onboarding screen. I've already shown you, but this is the final flow. So I wanted to show you it from some of the videos that I've used as a preview. So here you are going to enter the name. It is going to show you a disclaimer, which is very important if you are handling anything that is impacting directly the mental or physical health of the people. You can also add it as part of terms and conditions and further information inside the settings screen. So there I'm adding an activity which is basically eating healthy. You can remind it basically sometime before you are preparing or heading for the meal. So here I have completed this activity, and this is how the progress is going to be shown. So we have a monthly progress for each month along with the activity wise progress. So this is how it's going to look like on App Store. So these are some of the screenshots that I've added for iPhone. You can see here I have an icon and other information, also the app privacy. Privacy is not a problem because I'm not collecting the data for now, but eventually if you are using that data to provide recommendations to the user or for any other purpose, you have to write a thorough terms and conditions how you are going to use this data. So basically, you have to take these screenshots from the simulator and videos you can record using screen recording. All of this information is available online, and you have to add the description. So basically, I have written down the description that I have app of the app, and basically, I have put all of this information inside ChatGPT and improved it a bit. Obviously, you need to basically go over all of these things one by one. You have to set the app information, the category of apps, age requirements, privacy policy. Privacy policy, I've hosted it on the Google Sites, which is free to host. If you have your own personal website, you can also host the privacy policy there. Privacy policy I have created in 2021 using an online tool. It asks you certain questions and you have to provide the answers, and then it is going to generate a very nice privacy policy. So I have also received the email because my app was first rejected. There was a little bit of issue with UI element getting delayed in the processing. And there was also the problem that we need to mention the terms and conditions, either are custom or that one which is provided by Apple, and added to the description box. So I've added both the links of privacy policy and terms and conditions to my description, so that basically resolve the issue, and now my app is live. There might be some other issues for your app as well. Apple sometimes have an idea problem with the idea. If you are totally copying an app, or you have certain information that you have not provided, any age restrictions, if you need some extra information for that, you have to go through the problems and fix them one by one. You can also talk to the support team if you are confused about a problem, and you can basically um, raise a concern. If you think that the issue that is raised is not justified, you can basically have a discussion over that with the support team as well. In past, I have worked on certain apps with the clients, and certain issues or features were rejected, but we have explained to the developer or the support team that why we have added these features and how we are going to use them. And if you are basically justified in your implementation or the way you have presented that feature to the users, they are pretty much going to be okay with it, and they are going to approve the changes. So this is all for this journey. I'm going to update the app in future as well. There are a lot of features to improve and further enhance it for the users. If you want to check it out, go to the Apple link and download the app and see if there is any feedback you want to provide. Please do it. And do not forget to like and share this video, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.